Hi there. We're going to talk about the legal triangle. It's sort of looking at rights and limits and duties. So to do the first side of the triangle, and those are all the rights we have. Those are individual rights, all listed in the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. The right to this, right to that, free to do this, free to do that. However, on the other side of the triangle, limits. So those are all the laws, the Criminal Code, the Highway Traffic Act, Labor Law Act, Environmental Protection Act. Every law you can think of is basically like no, 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 can't do this, can't do that, not allowed to do that. So on one part of the legal triangle you've got yes, 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 and the other no, no, no. And they conflict. These individual rights and freedoms against the law conflict. They're individual rights and they're group laws. We're all individuals, but we're all part of the group at the same time. Sometimes we make laws to stop people from doing things, and other times laws stop us from doing what we want to do. Now, when there's the conflict in court, the main thing that the judge will consider is harm. So is what the individual is doing, their right or freedom, harming other people? And they say the freedom to do what you want with your own body ends where your neighbor's nose begins. So if you hit somebody, then your freedom will be taken away. And that's when the courts will support the law. But if what you're doing is not hurting anyone, perhaps the courts will strike down the law and uphold your charter right or freedom. The bottom is called duties or responsibilities. They're not as much. They're basically laws, but they're saying you have to do this, you have to do that, you've got to do this, as opposed to the limits, which are most laws where you can't do that, can't do this, not allowed to do that. So that's the legal triangle. We're looking at rights, duties, responsibilities, and limits. Thank you.